How do I change the widget type of the delete field in a Django form set? I'm using a form set with can_delete equals true. I want to change the widget of the delete field to a hidden input. I can't seem to find a good way to do this. What I've tried is change the form's widget to hidden input and/or add a hidden field in the form definition. Do the above with a change in the form set. If I do these both, it does actually change the field to hidden, but this seems like a bit of a hack, effectively overriding the usual add_fields method. How are you supposed to do this? Edit equals. It turns out that using a hidden field is not so good with the form framework anyway. You should definitely use a checkbox and hide it with CSS. If you want to do adjust the CSS of the checkbox in Django, I still think you have to change the add_fields method as above, which then allows you to change the widget CSS.
It doesn't change anything if your input is of type equals hidden, or if it is of type equals checkbox and display none. Imho the elegant way in CSS would look like this. Or in JavaScript. Or in the admin. That seems like a better direction to take because it won't change your JavaScript code and it's one line of code versus so much Python hacks.
The shortest code to accomplish what you need is it cannot be considered a hack because it's mentioned in the official Django docs. This URL, Django sources to read. Definition of deletion_field_name. Definition of add_fields method. The place in which add_field is called after a form is constructed, so you cannot do anything in form _init_.
Setting self.can_delete to false solve my problem.
You can also override the initializer in the form set, not forms, a class, because the delete field is created by the form set.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.